Hi guys, welcome to Get Rebel Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. So I have another channel that I will be using to teach you guys Yoruba language because I have discovered that Ifa is in Yoruba language. So on the basis of that, I have hired a professional Yoruba teacher. And as you can see her, she is already doing what she knows how to do best, as you can see. So the channel will be launched any moment from now. And I am going to urge you guys, especially those of you who want to learn Yoruba, and those of you who are Yorubas but based outside Nigeria, and you have your children, you know your children have never been to Nigeria before, and you want them to understand Yoruba language, even apart from the fact that you are learning Ifa, you can still let your children understand Yoruba language. So my teacher will be the one to be teaching you guys Yoruba language on a brand new channel. So I will update you further, and I will as well put the link to the channel somewhere inside this video and at the end of this video as well. You know, at the end screen and even in the description section of this video, you are going to have direct access to the channel. And I promise you that you are going to understand Yoruba perfectly, and you will be able to practice Ifa as you want to practice it. So let me even ship in this very observation. As you can see, the alphabet that she has on the screen, in the Barbaric religion, especially in Yoruba land, some of those who call themselves, let me say, Afars, or who says that they are men of, or they are people of God, because of the fact that they can speak Arabic, they automatically tell people that they are a person of God or person of Allah, because of the fact that they can speak Arabic. Language has nothing to do with your faith. Language has nothing to do with your spiritual connection with God, which we call Olodumare in Yoruba land. So as you can see, this is pretty much similar to what uh, Islam teaches. This is pretty much similar because in Arabic they have alphabet like this. So as well in Yoruba we have alphabet. As you can see, you are seeing consonant, vowel, ba, be, be. So in Arabic they have the same thing. So when they are learning Arabic, they'll tell you that they are linking you to God, or they are building your spiritual power. So here we have our own uh, alphabet in Yoruba. We have our own way of teaching our people a way to understand our own spirituality, which is Ifa. So by the time you understand the alphabet here, by the time you understand how to join vowel, alphabet together, you will be able to chant Ifa as you want. That is exactly how it is. So the channel will be launched any moment from now, and this is my teacher. She will be the one to be dishing out the information, right? So thank you very much, and let me ask my teacher her name so that you will know her right from this channel, because the brand new channel, she will not be showing her face much, because what is much important is the board, is the screen. So she will be telling us her name briefly. So please, what's your name?
Nírètí. Omidan Nírètí.
Okay, Omidon Nireti. So her name is Omidon Nireti. So the brand new channel should be the one, though we may still have more teachers on the channel, but she's the one that we have on ground presently, who will be teaching you guys Yoruba language. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Get a better life. Bye. Mo ń gbé yín sí ayé báyìí o. Ẹ ṣáà máa tù lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ ṣì wò pé káwọn yẹn máa lo desktop yẹn ni? Ṣé ẹ wò pé kí secretary máa lo desktop yìí ni?
Wow. Wow. Perfect.
Perfect in here.
This is a great office.
Ads like mate.
Billions office. Nele.
Àṣẹ.
It's not a level of million office. It's a billions office.
Àṣẹ o.
Making billions here.
Àṣẹ o. It's our new office now. So we're about to open the office. My computer engineer supplied the computers, the laptops, and is fixing them, you know. So we are purely official now. Official, right? This is Girl in Real Life TV. Thank you for your support.